Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine. Today we will study about the circulatory system disorders. As you have studied that heart is the main component or main part of the circulatory system, and it pumps blood throughout the body, and this blood carries the food and oxygen to all the body parts or all the cells of the body parts. There are many factors that can affect our circulatory system, but the main one are the diet and the lifestyle. If we do not have a proper diet or a lifestyle, it may cause many diseases like heart attack, diabetes and asthma. We will study about each in detail, but the first one, heart attack, we will study about it today. Heart attack or the myocardial infarction. It is a disease in which the cells or some part of the heart get died due to the lack of oxygen and food. As you know, the heart is made of muscles, and cells, just like other cells in the body, must receive oxygen and food through circulatory system for their growth and the working. But the blood vessels which supply oxygen and food to the heart are called coronary arteries. Due to the fat and other harmful substances in the body, there is maybe formation of a thick layer of the cells that is called plaque inside the blood vessel. Due to formation of plaque, there will be less space available for the circulation or movement of the blood, and it may result in the less blood flow, or a blood clot may be formed. And due to decrease in the flow of blood, there will be less food and oxygen available to the cells of the blood. That's why the cells may die with the passage of time, or the part of the cells part of the heart may be died. But if this part of the heart begins to die due to the lack of oxygen and food, and the death of this part is called heart attack or myocardial infarction. If the cells died in too much amount, and then it may as a result of this, a person that is having this disease may also die. Or a heart attack is the disease that make the person unable to pump the blood to all the cells. As a result, there will be no oxygen and no